So let's just take this into a time of prayer, that time of meditation. And so we do just pause in this moment. Allowing our awareness to turn away from that world around us, from those thoughts that race through our mind in this moment, those thoughts that seek to distract us from our truth. That truth that says that we are a spiritual being. That truth that says that the light that we seek is already what we are. And so as we turn deeper within, we allow ourselves to release, to let go of whatever it is that no longer serves us. To take this opportunity with Spirit to embrace it for that part of us that it is, that it was. And to gently release it as we let go and let God. And so we take this opportunity here together to bless the gifts that were and to release them into Spirit's love, knowing that as we do so, we make space for that light to shine in us in greater ways. And so we release, we let go, and we open up to Spirit as we rest in the silence. And so we continue to allow that process to happen. Becoming aware of what no longer serves. Feeling grateful for its gift and releasing it to Spirit, letting go and letting God. Knowing that as we release that which no longer serves, we make the space for more of the light that we are to shine. And so it is in gratitude for the way that light shines in us and through us that we move on from this time, this day. With gratitude in our hearts, we say, thank you, Spirit. And so it is.